Hello guys, so today I'll be introducing you to this new software, and this new software is an upgraded version of Deepfake. It's you can also call it Deepfake. Why I call it an upgraded version is because what I do here is I post higher softwares that is higher than the last one I posted. For instance, the other one I posted was, let's call that one a separate the version. This one is another new version. This one has a lot of features. Its features is also as crazy as it can give you. Like it can put like it can give you the air of the person you're trying to swap. Now, for before we continue with this video is strictly for educational purpose. And thank you for returning to the channel, for returning subscribers. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, kindly do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much. So let's go straight into the video. Now, another thing about the software that is really important is that for now, the RTX 50 series laptops, which is the new series for the NVIDIA RTX laptop, and the latest and the new one, this software works directly on it. Just that's the portable version, works directly on it. All you have to do is to take it, unzip, and it's just a plug and play thing. You just unzip it and works. So let's go straight into this software. The very first thing we have to do is to come to our camera, to capture our camera. This is the webcam. Select and come here and play. Immediately we do that, we can click on find faces, but for now I'll take this mic out so that I can find my face. All right, so now I found the face here. We click on select image part. That's where we want the our image is where it is. We'll click. I think mine is in pictures. So we'll click on pictures and select the folder. So I already put pictures here. So these pictures that I'm going to be using are strictly for educational purpose. We are going to be looking at how efficient this software is. Deepfake software can be used for content creation, it can be used for prank calls, it can be used for a lot of things. In the AI world. So the very first thing I have to do is to come. We have captured the face. If you don't like how the face is when you captured, you can clear it, play again. Then I just did another fine face. Click on the face, click on what you want to swap, then swap face and wait for it to come up. Then play. Very good. So this is our first result, which is not the last. Come to common and enable face restore. Very good. So this is Will Smith, as you can see. So the very best thing to do while you're using the software is always make sure it's on charge, and always make sure your light is on your face. Now I have a bit of light, not really ring light, but a bit of light on my face. This is it. My iPhone light. Yeah, so I see when I remove the light, it is different. So now I put the light back, it's better. I put the light back, it's better. Let's check that for Drake also. As you can see, this is what we have for Drake. A very good complete. This is what we have for Drake. Let's see Burna Boy. Okay. Burna Boy is on the picture is not too good, but this is also good. And let's look at Will Smith again. Alright. So this is what we have for this software. So this laptop, like I said, this laptop is an RTX this RTX 5050. And also one good thing about the software is also that, as you can see, RTX 5050 8 gig dedicated graphics card. This is it. So this is how to check it. Alright, as you can see, this is an RTX 5050 laptop. You can also enable some other things from here. For instance, the occluder, so on and so forth. You can look at it, you can update it from here. There are other things that you can do, but the best advice is that if your laptop isn't that strong, I mean your NVIDIA isn't that strong, just use the just use the restorer and maybe a bit of other things. As you can see, there are a lot of options here, a lot of options. There's a part for the restore mount. So you might be saying that, what's it called? Isn't like working so good. But now there's a part for the restore mount. So this is unlike the other ones, deep life cam, so on and so forth. That whatever result it gives you, that's what you use. So you can get the portable version of this software for me, and we're going to be doing more videos on this software because, like I said, this software can give me the air of that person, that um as you can see, these are like different air, so it can give me the exact air of that person that I'm trying to face swap. Do you understand? So you can give me the exact hair of that person. So this is a crazy software. It gives you the facial hair, and it also gives you the actual hair of that person. So if the person's hair color was white, it gives you that white. If it is black, it gives you that black. It is amazing. So you can send me a DM, or you can use the link below to get the software, the portable version, or you can send us a DM if you are trying to get a laptop or the right laptop for this kind of software. Thank you very much, JD Tech. Please do like, subscribe, and share. Once again, this video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you.